guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. I know I missed last Tuesday for our tech talk or stream talk or things like that, but I'm back with another video trying to stay on schedule. So I'm going to come with you with 5 tips to stream this year 2020, okay? So tip number 1 is to make sure you have some type of social media presence, okay? So you want to make sure you have an Instagram and a Twitter, okay? These are going to be the best things for you. Snapchat, TikTok, okay, whatever. But the main things that you want is Instagram and Twitter. Twitter because you can share your link on Twitter and put hashtags and other people can literally just click it and go to your stream. And Instagram, you can upload clips from your other streaming content or anything that you pre-recorded before so people can see, what you're capable of or how you act in person, right? Boom. Number 2. You want to make sure you choose whatever you're going to use to stream with. So either regular OBS or Streamlabs OBS. Either one works perfectly fine, and it depends on how you use. I use Streamlabs OBS because it's a little more intuitive for me to use, and you can get different types of background stuff and different type of overlays and stuff like that because they already have it pre-built in, and you can just find them and throw them on your Streamlabs without much work. So that's something that I really like about Streamlabs OBS. I'm not sponsored, I'm just saying this is something that I use, okay? The next thing that you want to do is use Restream.io, okay? So let's say you want to stream, you don't know what platform is going to work best for you. Restream.io is perfect for you because you can stream on multiple different platforms at the same time, and it'll have a chat for you to tell you where people are chatting from. So let's say it'll have like a little Facebook emblem, a little Twitch emblem, and YouTube, whatever you want to stream on, Mixer, all that. There's 30 different platforms that you can utilize on this. I recommend streaming on about 3 of them. Okay, the top 3: Twitch is number 1. Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and Mixer. So top 4, okay? Because Facebook is trying to come. You never know what's gonna happen. Like no one knew YouTube was gonna blow up many years ago when they started, and look at them now. But yeah, so it's free to stream on 2 channels. So if you're starting out, you're not affiliate on Twitch, because if you are affiliate on Twitch, you cannot stream on 2 platforms at the same time. I mean, you can, but if you get caught, you will lose your affiliate, or you get banned for a certain amount of time or suspended. I don't know the parameters, but I do know that if you stream at the same time, technically you have to wait 24 hours to upload content somewhere else from Twitch. I'm assuming it's the whole content. I mean, like little clips you can, but the entire stream you cannot upload unless it's been 24 hours, okay? Yeah, so if you want to stream on 3 platforms on Restream.io, they have plans. So if you want to add one more, because 2 is free, so if you want to add one more, it would be $19 a month. But if you want to do the annual plan, it is a one-time charge of $190 up front. And then after that is $15 and some change. If you want to add 3 extras, so you want to have 5 to stream on at the same time, because I did say 4, so Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer, and Facebook or Mixer. I would recommend doing Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, or Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer, because Mixer is kind of coming up, because they kind of got Ninja on, so they're trying to get other streamers to come to the platform. So Mixer may blow up. We never know. Yes. So you can utilize that. If you want to have 3, so you have 5 in total, that's going to be $49 a month. And if not, it's going to be a one-time charge of like $400 and some change. Honestly, I would say start off with the 2 channels for free, And for the free ones, I would say do Twitch and YouTube, because those are the most frequently visited sites for gaming if you're going to be streaming games, but in streaming in general, those are the 2 most frequented sites or platforms for streaming, okay? Yeah, so, and once you get to a point where you can be an affiliate, don't rush. Check your analytics between streaming on YouTube and streaming on Twitch, and see which one works better for you. Because if streaming on Twitch works better, then you become affiliate. If not, keep streaming on YouTube, and once you get 1,000 subs and especially if you're streaming, you're gonna hit that 4,000 watch hours like this, even if it's one person watching. Think about it, okay? That's that, okay? So, number 3, yes, you want to make sure, was that number 3? Okay, that's number 4. Oh my God, I clearly can't do math. Number 4, you want to make sure that you have a good mic. Now, you don't have to go out and buy a $50 mic, $100 mic, Blue Yeti, all that. No, boom. As long as you have a good headset, the mic works perfectly fine. And especially if you're streaming through a computer with an Elgato or a laptop through an Elgato, you're going to be perfectly fine because you're going to have a nice gaming headset. Now, please don't be that person that has that terrible headset that make it all sounds and you got to like wiggle it on your controller. Don't do that. Nobody wants to go to a stream that has bad mic quality. You don't got to have a cam. But if you got bad mic quality, no one's staying in your stream. I promise you that, okay? Yeah, so I have the Snowball. That's like $50. You can get it on Mercari. I love this app. You can get used shit. That's how I got my Elgato. I got my Elgato for like $80. And it was perfect, pristine condition. Came with HDMI wire and the wire that you need to plug it into your computer or laptop. $80, okay? So you can get a Snowball for like $20 and some change from Mercari. I'll leave the links in the description down below so you can check out the app. Yeah, so good quality mic. Even like I have a pair of Astros. I have a I have another YouTube video doing a review on the Astros. The mic sounds perfectly fine. I was streaming with that when I first started streaming straight through a console. No mic, straight through a console, streaming, beautiful. Okay, no sound problems. Everything's excellent. Okay, and number 5, a webcam. Now, do you need a webcam to stream? You do not need a webcam to stream, but if you're an animated person, people will come to your stream just to hear you be animated. But having a webcam makes it more lively. Since I've been streaming from around December 20-something till now, I've been using a webcam, and I've noticed that I've gotten more views because I have a webcam. Like, people stay longer now that I have a webcam. Now, does that necessarily mean that people stay longer because you have a webcam? No, it could be because your personality doesn't matter. But if you can invest in one. Again, Mercari is a great app to go to. The webcam that I have is $100, but I got it for Christmas, and it was on sale during Christmas for like $45, okay? So don't skip out on that, okay? Also, you can get it from Mercari. I got the LogiTech C290s, I believe, or 22s, or something like that. You can get a cheaper one for $20-something on Mercari. Like, you don't need a fabulous mic because Twitch max is 720p until you become partner. It's gonna take a little while for you to get to partner anyways, but just so you know that you have a little webcam to work with, okay? Or you can use the PlayStation webcam, plug it in, stream straight from your PlayStation, and boom. And it has the chroma key, so if you use a PlayStation webcam, streaming straight off your PlayStation, and you have some green screen in the back, boom, you don't gotta buy that much extra equipment. You get the PlayStation webcam, a green screen, voila, you're streaming with a webcam, no background in the back. I like having the background in the back. Feels like you're here with me and we're all playing together. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped for you guys for wanting to stream for 2020. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'm gonna have somewhere up here or over here or at the end of this video the videos for streaming PCs. I'm streaming laptops, I'm sorry. And next week I'm gonna try to have a pre-built streaming PC for you guys. All right, AZXG out.